Gazing into the cosmic past. James Webb's early discoveries. Gazing deep into the cosmic past, the James Webb Space Telescope is helping us unlock some of the greatest mysteries of the universe. For thousands of years, humans have looked up at the night sky with awe and wonder. From ancient stargazers mapping constellations with basic tools, to early thinkers questioning the nature of reality and our place in it, the night sky has always held a magical, almost sacred quality. It has inspired myths, guided sailors, and driven scientists to push boundaries in search of answers. What lies beyond those twinkling lights? Where did it all begin? And how far can we truly see? Today, thanks to enormous strides in science and technology, we can explore the cosmos like never before. We've developed instruments that let us peer into the distant past beyond the range of human sight, beyond what was ever thought possible. At the forefront of this cosmic revolution stands the James Webb Space Telescope, or simply, Webb. This incredible telescope is not just a better version of Hubble. It's a game-changer designed to observe the universe using infrared light, which can penetrate dust clouds and reach objects far older and farther away than anything we've previously seen. In many ways, Webb functions as a time machine, capturing ancient light that's been traveling across space for billions of years. It allows us to see the universe as it was not long after its birth. Already, Webb has delivered discoveries so surprising, they're forcing scientists to rethink long-standing theories about how galaxies form, how stars evolve, and how space itself behaves. Let's explore just a few of its most jaw-dropping early findings. One of Webb's first major targets was MAX 0647 JD, a mysterious object first spotted by the Hubble telescope. At the time, it appeared to be a faint, distant blur. But Webb's sharper vision changed everything. It revealed details never seen before, suggesting this wasn't just a single galaxy, but possibly two galaxies caught in the process of merging. This was possible thanks to a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing, where light from a distant object is bent and magnified by the gravitational pull of something massive in the foreground. It's like nature's own cosmic magnifying glass. Through this technique, Webb could observe MAX 0647 JD's structure, motion, and even clues about its chemical composition. This insight helps scientists better understand how galaxies interacted and evolved in the early universe. Then came an even more astonishing discovery: Sears 93316, a galaxy detected at a time just 250 million years after the Big Bang. That means its light has been traveling for more than 13.5 billion years before reaching us. Its redshift value 16.7 is the highest ever recorded, pushing the boundaries of what we thought we could observe. Sears 93316 offers us a window into a period known as the Cosmic Dark Ages, a time when the universe was still young, chaotic, and filled mostly with hydrogen and helium, before stars and galaxies had fully taken shape. It's like opening a time capsule that shows what the universe looked like before light truly began to shine. Even more exciting, scientists believe Webb may soon detect galaxies that formed as early as 200 million years after the Big Bang, objects that were, until now, completely invisible to us. And then there's Able 2744Y1, another marvel found even deeper in the past. Though it's around 50 times smaller than our Milky Way, this tiny galaxy is a star-making machine. It forms new stars at a rate 10 times faster than our galaxy, making it a snapshot of the intense energy and activity that filled the early universe. The image of Able 2744Y1 was built from data gathered by Webb, Hubble, and the Chandra X-ray Observatory, a brilliant example of how combining different technologies can reveal far more than any one tool on its own. Together, they give us a more complete picture of how galaxies began and how they evolved into the structures we see today. These discoveries just from the first stages of Webb's mission are already transforming how we see the cosmos. With each observation, we're peeling back layers of mystery, and each new image is like turning another page in the universe's origin story. And this is all beyond the horizon: the universe, life, and what lies ahead as we journey further into space and time. The James Webb Space Telescope continues to take us to the very edge of what's visible, and far beyond what was ever imagined. One of the most famous and distant galaxies ever observed is GNZ11. When first seen by the Hubble Space Telescope, its light was discovered to have started its journey toward Earth just 400 million years after the Big Bang. But here's the mind-bending part. Due to the expansion of space, the actual distance to GNZ11 today isn't 13 billion light-years. It's more than 32 billion light-years away. This is because space itself has been stretching over time, causing galaxies to drift apart, a cosmic phenomenon that reshapes our understanding of distance. What we see when we observe GNZ11 is a tiny, ancient spark from a time when the universe was less than 3% of its current age. It marks the very edge of the observable universe, a kind of horizon beyond which light has not yet had time to reach us. It's like looking at the edge of a vast, unexplored map where once, cartographers might have written the words, "Here be dragons." This brings us to a question that seems simple, yet is anything but, how big is the universe really? The observable universe, the part we can currently detect, has a radius of about 46.1 billion light-years in all directions. But this is only what we can see. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, and other models of modern cosmology, the actual size of the entire universe could be much, much larger. In fact, if the universe has even a slight curvature or extends beyond our visible range, it could stretch on for trillions of light-years. We may be seeing just a single pixel of an unimaginably vast cosmic screen where the true size remains beyond even our best instruments. And it gets even more intriguing. Some scientists believe that the Big Bang wasn't the beginning at all. Instead, it may have been the result of a rapid, ultra-fast event known as cosmic inflation, a brief moment when the universe expanded faster than the speed of light, a trillion times in less than a second. This idea suggests that the part of the universe we see today is just a small bubble in a much larger cosmic foam. And within that foam, there could be countless other universes, each with its own stars, galaxies, even different laws of physics. This is the multiverse theory, a concept that not long ago sounded like science fiction, but is now seriously considered by cosmologists. And if there are other universes, could there also be other versions of life? This brings us to one of the most profound and emotional questions ever asked by humanity. Are we alone? When we look at the vastness of space, the billions of galaxies, each filled with billions of stars and likely even more planets, it's hard to believe that Earth is the only place where life has ever emerged. With every discovery, Webb makes each ancient galaxy, each chemical trace, each newly found exoplanet, the chances of finding life beyond Earth become stronger. Not necessarily advanced civilizations, but maybe microbial life or early biological signatures in alien atmospheres. And yet, there's something deeply human in this mystery. Just as we stare into the sky, someone or something might be doing the same elsewhere, wondering if they're alone, too. The journey ahead, in just its early years, the James Webb Space Telescope has already changed everything. It has shown us galaxies we never knew existed. It has pushed our cosmic map outward by billions of years. And most importantly, it has reminded us that the more we learn, the more there is left to discover. This is just the beginning. The secrets still hidden in starlight, the truths written in the radiation of the early universe, these will take decades to unfold. But we are now witnesses to a new age of space exploration. As we stand on the edge of infinity, peering into the depths of time and matter, one thing is absolutely certain: the universe is not done surprising us. If this cosmic journey inspired you, don't forget to subscribe for more explorations into the unknown. The stars are waiting, and the future of discovery has only just begun. Thank you for watching, and see you in the stars.